Hey there guys, this is MDP Tech. I wasn't doing videos for a long time because I'm investing my time in learning Java, learning programming, and today I decided that I need to do another unboxing video for you guys because I saw that my views increased recently, so I really needed to give something for you guys. So here we have today we have Xiaomi Mi True wireless earphones, which is simple earphones, more like Apple AirPod Pro design. Of course, they're a little bit bigger. They have active noise cancelling, wireless sense fill, and Xiaomi an in-house made chip, almost the same as W1 chip in Apple. So let's take a look what's inside. Okay, let's open this. Okay, here's the welcome tips. Yeah, let's just put those to the side. Here we have, okay, this is our charger. Let's get this out of the box. Yeah, and this is, you see, the quality plastic. Now at last we have better experience unboxing these things than it was before on Xiaomi. Yeah, I like this plastic. Okay, now the quality of the box is of course not on par with the iPhone, but look at that. Look. It's quite good. I heard that there's magnet there, so soon we're gonna test it out. It's closing normal, nothing particular good or bad, but as you see, it's not opening. So it's still good. Down here you have a USB-C charger input. It's very good that it's USB-C. That means it charges faster, yeah, syncs quicker, and so on. Move to the side, and here we go. The headphones itself. Damn. Okay, this is quite interesting finish. Yeah, here's the light reflection. It even reflects light. Quite interesting. Okay, let's take it. Ooh, yeah. Okay, here you see this dot. This dot is the optical sensor, which when you get the earphone into your ear, and then it starts music when you just take it off. So it's good. Okay, I'm quite impressed with this quality. As you see, there's the microphone. Maybe there's the second microphone for the dual microphone, could be for the noise cancelling. Yes, there's the second one. Yeah. Okay, there's nothing else here. Maybe there's something more here. There's the USB Type-C charging cable. Looks quite good too. And the booklets. Well, the booklets fit there, very crumbled down there. And there's the warranty notice and the user manual. Okay, so here it is. That was the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi True wireless earphones. Thank you for being today with me. If you like it, press like. If you have any questions about the quality and so on, leave a comment. If you want some type of videos that I make. That was MDP Tech. Have a nice evening.